How to set up Tesla Card Key New 2025. Most people get this wrong, but setting up a Tesla Card Key in 2025 is faster and simpler than it looks. You won't believe how convenient it can make accessing your Tesla. First, make sure your Tesla app is updated to the latest version on your smartphone. Open the app and log in with your Tesla account. Then, get your Tesla Card Key ready. It comes with your vehicle or can be ordered separately. Inside your car, tap the car screen and navigate to Locks. Select Add Key and choose the Card Key option. Hold the key near the driver's side B-pillar sensor. You'll see a confirmation on the screen once the card is detected. Some models may ask you to tap the card again to verify ownership. Next, assign the card key to your profile. You can set permissions like unlocking doors, starting the car, or valet mode restrictions. Tesla allows up to 2 card keys per driver profile. Keep a backup in a safe place, as losing one means removing it digitally from your account to prevent unauthorized access. Finally, test the card key. Tap it on the B pillar to unlock and start the car. The system should respond instantly. If it doesn't, recheck the card placement and ensure the app is synced with your Tesla account. In conclusion, setting up a Tesla Card Key involves updating your Tesla app, adding the key through the car's interface, assigning permissions and testing functionality. Once done, you'll enjoy quick, secure access to your Tesla with just a tap.